Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Freshworks CRM to Typeform for automated qualification. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Freshworks CRM account. In a new tab, go to the Typeform website and log into your Typeform account. Navigate to the Typeform you want to connect to Freshworks CRM. Click on the Connect tab located in the Typeform editing interface. Search for the Freshworks CRM integration in the Integrations library. Select the Freshworks CRM integration from the results. Click on the Connect button to begin the integration process. You will be prompted to authenticate your Freshworks CRM account. Enter your Freshworks CRM credentials and allow the necessary permissions. Once connected, return to the Typeform interface. Now, set up the mapping between your Typeform responses and Freshworks CRM fields. Select the fields in Freshworks CRM that will capture data from the Typeform responses. Make sure to match each Typeform question with the corresponding Freshworks CRM field. Save your mapping settings once you've completed this step. Go back to the Typeform settings and check for any required field configurations. After confirming your settings, navigate to the Settings tab in Typeform. Activate the integration by toggling the connection to on. Test the integration by submitting a sample response through your Typeform. Check your Freshworks CRM account to verify the data has been captured correctly. If everything looks good, your integration is now successfully set up. You can now enjoy automated qualification of leads captured through Typeform responses directly into Freshworks CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.